Okay, I'm done doing my sister's attic duct repair. I don't know how many linear feet, maybe about 200 linear feet, if not more, where the raccoons, 5 of them, hopefully that's it, been captured and put down, killed. So that's it. After this attic work, I don't want to do any more attic work helping. Well, it's my sister, I gotta help. So, oh, here it is. Waiting on trash grabbers to, that is a pile of raccoon crap and scattered around. There's 2 more major areas down there, but wait for trash grabbers to arrive and clean that up and do any spot repairs as may be needed. So she got an estimate of $10,000 to do repairs, and that wasn't including capturing the raccoons, and that would have been costly, keep on coming back and forth. But yeah, I got her done. So there's no damage on these sections. For is there any place there's white tape and black plastic visqueen, those were all repairs. Okay, this has been too much fun. I'm gonna go pop some Advil pills because my back is aching, having to bend down and up. I'm pretty sure during summertime some of these tapes gonna have to be fixed again because of heat generated, but hopefully there's no issues with cool air and condensation, because all the vapor barriers have been repaired where the raccoons tore apart the insulation and outer vapor barrier plastic, very thin. So still got a cage set up there just in case there's any more raccoons. Okie dokie. God bless. Cheers.